The PiNetwork community is witnessing remarkable growth across India, as pioneers are coming together to champion the PiGCV initiative, making waves in local cities ahead of the Mainnet launch. The enthusiasm and dedication of these pioneers are raising the value of the PiNetwork and pushing the decentralized movement forward. In Assam, India, the first-ever PiNetwork GCV 314,159 event was a huge success. Thanks to the hard work of ambassadors Mr. Bester, Mr. Ramesh Shetty, and countless other pioneers, this event is a major milestone for the Pi community in India. The event was a powerful symbol of how PiNetwork is becoming a force to be reckoned with in the local ecosystem. Karnataka recently witnessed a surge in inspiration as the GCV event there spurred many pioneers to embrace sustainable practices and fully support the PiNetwork ecosystem. With Pi's influence expanding in the region, the hope is that India will soon see PiNetwork become an integral part of everyday life. In New Delhi, India, PiNetwork enthusiasts gathered to champion PiGCV, highlighting the growing impact of decentralized innovation. The event showcased the community's commitment to driving blockchain adoption and shaping the future of finance. Odisha also hosted a fantastic GCV rally, showcasing the massive support the PiNetwork has in the country. The community's unwavering commitment to bringing Pi's vision to life was evident, and the event helped push the Pi agenda further into the mainstream. Another milestone for India was the GCV meeting in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh, where young pioneers gathered with a shared passion for driving global citizenship. Together, they are committed to building a brighter, decentralized future through innovation and collaboration. But the excitement isn't limited to just India. PiNetwork's global presence is also rapidly expanding. From the Philippines to Malaysia, communities are uniting to embrace the PiGCV movement. In the Philippines, the Pamilya Sugod Merchants Initiative helped integrate local businesses into the PI payment system, creating valuable connections. The team in Malaysia recently hosted a successful barter event that raised $314,159 for PiGCV, proving the power of collaboration and support for the PI network. An Indonesian Islamic boarding school recently hosted an event showcasing the growing offline Pi ecosystem, where Pi was accepted as payment. The event, held in Gunung Pati, Central Java, featured a collaborative meeting between the pioneer community and small traders. Attendees also participated in a unique bartering session, using the PGCV value of $314,159 at the Ventela Pimomoja Fashion Mart.